fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. We're doing Cat Battle Edition. I'll get you guys some box action. I'll cut this light out. See if you guys can see this label with me. Get you some label gang. It's super small. Cut this light out so that I could read the label. This is the Air Jordan 5 Retro Special Edition. Varsity Maize Solar Orange. AKA the Jordan 5 What The. We're going to start with the first shoe, guys. Give you a little bit of this goodness. Let me move this camera back. Got a high Jordan 5er. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. We got the shoe in better focus, so we're back. Get you guys a little bit of 360 action for the first shoe. It's one of my favorite Jordan 5s. Got this pair, it's a little beat up. I just had to clean them. Got them as a gift for somebody, but they're too beat up to give as a gift, so I said I'm going to keep them. I got them another pair from StockX, so they won't care. This one had a little bit of tomato sauce or something on there, ketchup. So I said, forget it. I don't want to give anybody a ketchup shoe. Let me get you guys a little bit of 360 with the light action. A lot of people like these Jordan 5s. You had the sample. You see the 3M lighting up on the tongue. Then with a 3M hit on the side. I don't know if you guys can see. This is where some of the tomato sauce was. The main ones. Had to do a good thorough cleaning. It's okay. Suede kit from Rejuvenator. A couple of Rejuvenator wipes. Took care of it. Few other processes that I won't reveal on camera, but yeah, that's okay. I gotta cut the light out. I will switch this shoe with the other one. The shoe comes with, like I said, two different color shoes. Shoes are fire. Like I said, one of the best Jordan 5s. I don't even want to collect Jordan 5s anymore. Tired of changing the bottoms. You really can't get this bottom that's on this one because it's like a weird green color, but yeah, this might be one of my last pairs. I got the baby blue ones that are about to come out. I had to get those. Only got one pair, so I'm gonna still be with you guys trying to get another one. You guys see the 3M hits. Still see that other 3M'er in the background. Great shoes, guys. Like I said, if you could get this, the Jordan 5, what does they call this shoe? If you can get a pair, make sure you guys go out there and get you a pair. If anybody wants to trade a pair of size 11s for a pair of size 13s, I got you. But this is both the shoes, guys. This is what it'll look like when they're on your feet from the front view. It's a pretty good shoe, guys. Pretty good shoe. I can't complain about it. Alright, let's get on with the next shoe. Alright, guys, let's get on with this next shoe. By the box, you could probably already tell what it is. See, it's another Vans Simpsons box. This is one of those strange size Simpsons shoes that I had to get. I got this pair off of eBay. It's my staring pair. I got a wearing pair too. Let me turn it this way, guys. This is the Simpsons Bouvier Sisters. Let me try to move this. What we call it? It's an all cloth shoe with stitching on the side of Marge, Patty, and Selma Bouvier, the Simpson sisters. Bouvier Sisters. Back, suede all over. Other side of the shoe, you have the legs of the Bouvier Sisters with stitched in here. Pardon me, guys, let me stop this phone. Alright, back to action. As you can see the stitching of the sisters' legs on the shoe. And get you guys a little bit of light action. Not a bad shoe. Got this shoe for my Simpsons collection. Not really a Vans guy. I would usually get Nike SB. As you see, like I said, it came from eBay with the little eBay verification tag. But I had to have this shoe as soon as I saw it. I might, like I said, I even got a pair for wearing. So I'm going to be wearing this shoe. Okay, guys, one more 360 with the light out. We'll move on to the last shoe. Like I said, this is all knitted, crocheted, however you put thread into yarn into shoes. It's a very nice shoe, guys. If you're a Simpsons fan, I believe you have to have this shoe. You guys, one more side silhouette. Sorry that it's leaning, but they made the box tight. Alright, guys, let's get on with this last shoe. Wrap it up. Let's get on with this last shoe. Get you guys a little bit of box action. This is the Air Jordan 13 Retro Obsidians. I'm not going to even go through reading the colors on the box. You guys know what this is. I picked up a whole bunch of these yesterday. Doing my Foot Locker runs and all that. Wasn't able to find them in any size under 10. And I wasn't able to find them in my size 13. So I'm just going to be letting all the pairs I have go. I might be trading this pair here. If the person who it is doesn't want to trade them, I'll probably list them up on eBay or something. So if anybody's interested, let me know. We'll be listing some other pairs. I got a couple other pairs of 10s, 11s, 11 and a halves, and so forth. 14, no 13s. This shoe didn't go as crazy as I thought it was. Everybody, I guess, could either take it or leave it. Of course, you see, being out there in my hand, I took it. We started with the light on action, so you guys saw if this shoe has 3M. I call this the Georgetown colorway. Okay, guys, one more slow 360 since I already did the light on. Let me know what you guys think about these Obsidians. Are you getting a pair? Did you look for a pair and catch the L? Did you catch the W? Like I said, I caught the W in sizes that I can't wear, but I might could stretch under the 12s, 12 and a halves up to my size, so it'll be tight. But you guys know that Jordan 13s are always kind of tight. They got that strange toe box in the front, which you always gets a little bit thin. But you guys see it, the Jordan 13 Obsidians. Alright guys, you know what time it is. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop some comments on what shoes you want to see next. Make sure you guys stay safe out there and take it easy. Everybody fucking jump!